Okay, welcome to VK SAP Basis. In today class, in TADM tool underscore to book, so we are going to discuss this unit, preparing and installation. Preparing and installation unit name is, in this unit, 4 lessons is there. Today we complete lesson 1, lesson 2. These 2 lessons we complete today. So lesson one is SWPM, Software Provisioning Manager. Installing an SAP system using SWPM. Software Provisioning Manager. We called as Software Provisioning Manager. In shortcut, or we called as SWPM. So we called as SWPM, or we called as Software Provisioning Manager. So SWPM is a tool. SWPM is tool. Tool means software. We called as tool, or we called as software. https://support.sap.com/sl toolset. This is the link to download the software provisioning manager. So that is the link, support.sap.com/sl toolset is the link to download the SWPM. So now I open that URL, support.sap.com/sl toolset. So when we open this URL, when we scroll down, here download software provisioning manager is there. Click this one. So we require user ID and password. SWPM 2 versions is there. SWPM 2 versions is there. Software Provisioning Manager 1.0, or we call like this also, SWPM 1.0. Software Provisioning Manager 2.0, or we call like this SWPM 2.0. Now, first of all, we discussed about SWPM 1.0. So SWPM 1.0. Now we discussed about SWPM 1.0. In SWPM 1.0, 2 files is there. One is 70 SWPM.sar and another one is SWPM.sar. So this SWPM, every operating system separate file. Windows operating system file is different. Linux operating system file is different, like that. Every operating system different file, SWPM. Okay, now first of all, here 2 files is there. In Software Provisioning Manager, 70 SWPM.sar one file, SWPM.sar another file. 2 files is there. Now we discussed about SWPM.sar. So that means when I want to use SWPM.sar file, and it is SAR file, they're telling it is SAR file. SAR file means, so we want to extract that one. We want to extract. So we want to extract SAR file. We require SAP card tool. So we go to another website, me.sap.com/software center. We go that one. I am showing how to download SAP card tool. Support packages and patches tab. Click this one and click by category. Scroll down. Click SAP Technology Components. Click SAP Car. Click SAP Car 754. So my operating system is Windows. This file is available in only Windows. This is the .exe file. So by using SAP Car, we want to extract this swpm.sar file. In SAP system, we extract any SAR file by using SAP Car tool only. SAP Car also tool. SAP Car also we called as tool of software. SAP Car also tool. For what purpose we use SAP Car to extract the swpm.sar file? For example, GIF file is there. We want to extract GIF file by using WinRAR like that, no? Here also in SAP system, we want to extract any SAR file. In SAP system, we want to extract any SAR file by using SAP Car tool. SAP Car is the name of the software. SAP Car is the name of the software. Okay, now we know about swpm.sar. Now I show here. Double click this folder. In this folder, SAP Car is there and swpm.sar is there. Now I show how to extract this swpm.sar file by using SAP Car tool. Click here and type CMD and press enter key. Now command prompt is open where SWPM is available. In that command prompt is open. Now here, first we want to type entire name of here. First we want to type entire name of this one, total name, sapcar.exe. Total name we want to type here first. Here, first letter is common, but second letter is different. That means type SA and press tab key on keyboard. Now give space, means press space bar on keyboard. Minus VXF in small letters, press space bar on keyboard. Now we want to type entire name of swpm.sar file. So first letter is common, same. Second letter different. Type SW and press tab key button on your keyboard. So that is the command. sapcar.exe space minus VXF space swpm.sar and press enter key on keyboard. So it is extracted. By using SAP Car, we are extracting swpm.sar file. Okay, extraction is completed. They're telling 904 files extracted. Now we want to close this command prompt means type exist in small letters. Type exist in small letters and press enter key. So the command prompt is closed. Now here, scroll down. Double click SAP NST and close this folder. Now software provisioning manager is open. After extracting swpm.sar file, in that extracted folder, latest SAP NST is available. When we double click that SAP NST, software provisioning manager will be open. and click yes here. Username is administrator. Okay, here username is administrator. Suppose after installation is completed, you have SID ADM account, but you don't use SID ADM account. You want to open SWPM means compulsory. We want to open software provisioning manager means compulsory. Login in administrator account only. On that time only, we want to open software provisioning manager. So here I want to enter my administrator password. Suppose here I enter wrong password means it will not open. When I click sign in, it will not open. Here we want to enter the correct credentials. After entering credentials and click sign. Now software provisioning manager is open. This is the latest software provisioning manager. It is open. Here we want to install SAP S/4HANA Java 2021 to 2025. Here SAP S/4HANA Java 2021, 2022, 2023 and 2025. So here we want to install system rename, system copy, uninstall. So here we want to install system copy, system rename, uninstall, dual stack split also. Dual stack split for only NetWeaver. So this one. For means I want to install SAP S/4HANA Java 2021 or 2022 or 2023 or 2025. I want to use Software Provisioning Manager 1.0. Not only that one, here they're telling S/4HANA Java 2020 out of mainstream maintenance, SAP S/4HANA Java 1909 out of mainstream maintenance. So SAP S/4HANA 1709 to 2020 out of maintenance. They're telling clearly it's not available. SAP NetWeaver is for ABAP 7.52. SAP NetWeaver AS for ABAP 7.52. So I want to install system rename, system conversion, system copy, and install. So I want to install or system rename or system copy or uninstall. Means I want to install SAP NetWeaver AS for ABAP 7.52, or I want to do system rename of SAP NetWeaver AS for ABAP 7.52, or I want to do system copy of SAP NetWeaver AS for ABAP 7.52, or I want to do uninstall means I use Software Provisioning Manager 1.0. Next, SAP NetWeaver 7.5 also. SAP NetWeaver 7.5. Same. SAP NetWeaver 7.5 also. Next, SAP Business Suite 7 2016. EHP4 for SAP CRM 7.0. SAP CRM 7.0. Same, not only CRM, SRM also. SCM also. EHP8 for SAP ERP 6.0 also. EHP8 for SAP ERP 6.0 also. So CRM, SCM, SRM 7.0, EHP4, EHP8 for SAP ERP 6.0. Not only that, those one, EHP3, EHP3 for CRM, HCM, SRM 7.0 and EHP7 for SAP ERP 6.0. In Software Provisioning Manager 1.0, when we use SWPM.SARP means we want to use SAP S/4HANA Java 2021 or 2022 or 2023 or 2025 or NetWeaver SAP 7.52 or SAP NetWeaver 7.5 or CRM, SCM, SRM 7.0, EHP3 and EHP4 or SAP ERP 6.0, EHP7 or EHP8. We want to install or system rename or system copy or uninstall. On that time, we use Software Provisioning Manager 1.0. Not only for that one, we use dual stack split also. Dual stack split also. For that purpose also we use. For dual stack split purpose also we use that one. This one. Nowadays, mostly there is no dual stack system in company server. Suppose in company server, you are maintaining dual stack system is how to do dual stack split. That one. Now we want to close this SWPM is, I close here. It is not fully closed. Click here. This is a Software Provisioning Manager icon. Right click this icon and click exist and click OK. Now it is fully closed. Okay, now double click this SWPM folder, 70 SWPM. Here 70 SWPM.SAR file is there. This 70 SWPM.SAR file also we want to extract by using SAP car. Same here, SWPM 2 files is there. In Software Provisioning Manager 1.0, already we discussed about SWPM.SAR file. Now we want to discuss about 70 SWPM.SAR file. Now we want to extract this one. Click here, type CMD and press enter key. So first we want to type SAP car.txt name. First letter only different. First starting letter different. So simply type S and press tab key on keyboard. Use space. Now minus XVF. Before what I type? Before minus VXF I type. Now here XVF I type. Use space. Now 7 and press tab key. That is the command. SAP car.exe space minus XVF space 70 SWPM.SAR and press enter key on keyboard. It is extracting. Now by using SAP car tool, I am extracting 70 SWPM.SAR file. Okay, it is extracted. Now here 838 files extracted. Now type exist to close this command prompt. Type exist in small letters and press enter key. Now scroll down. Double click SAP entity and close this folder. Now software provisioning manager is opening. Now click yes here. Enter username administrator and enter administrator password here admin.123 and click sign in. Okay, now here, now we discussed about 70 SWPM .sar file. 70 SWPM .sar file in SWPM 1.0. In Software Provisioning Manager 1.0, we are discussing about 70 SWPM .sar file. When we use this 70 SWPM .sar file, we want to install or system rename or system copy or uninstall EHP2 for SAP CRM, SCM, SRM 7.0 or EHP6 for SAP ERP 6.0. On that time, we use 70 SWPM .sar file. Here we saw we use only, these are all out of maintenance. We use only SAP Business Suite 7 2011. This one, this everything out of maintenance. So we use for this purpose only 70 SWPM .sar file. Remaining all out of maintenance only. Now close this one and click here, right click and click exist and click OK. Now another version. So we completed about SWPM 1.0. So for what purpose we use Software Provisioning Manager 1.0, we got it clearly. Now we want to know about Software Provisioning Manager 2.0. SWPM 2.0. Now we want to know about SWPM 2.0. Click here. In SWPM 2.0, only one file. Click support packages and patches. Only one file. This file also, every operating system separate. This file also, every operating system separate file. So SWPM also only one file is there, that is this file. SWPM, this one. It is also SAR file. Okay, now here double click SWPM 2.0. So this SAR file also, SWPM 2.0 SAR file also, I want to extract by using SAP card tool only. Click here and type CMD and press enter key. Here first letter common, second letter different. So type SA and press tab key, use space minus XF. XF now, minus XF. Before what I told, XVF like that. Now XF. Now give space SW and press tab key and press enter key on keyboard. Now here, when we type XF, they don't show the extracting files. Here what they're telling SAP car processing RQ SWPM. SAP car telling I'm extracting SWPM RQ file, .sar file. So when we type this one, when we type here XF means they don't show extracting files. When we type their XVF or VXF means they show the extracting files. Extraction is completed. 565 files, extraction is completed. Now type exist and press enter key. Now scroll down. Double click SAP entity and close this folder. Now software provisioning manager is opening. Now click yes here. Here enter username is administrator. And here administrator password is admin.123 and click sign in. Now here, so SAP S/4HANA server 2021 or 2022 or 2023 and 2025. SAP S/4HANA server 2021 or 2022 or 2023 or 2025. We want to install or system rename or system copy or uninstall. SAP S/4HANA server 2021 or 2022 or 2023 or 2025. SAP S/4HANA foundation also. Here SAP S/4HANA server 2025, 2023, 2022, 2021 remaining out of maintenance. SAP S/4HANA foundation also. SAP S/4HANA foundation 2021, 2022, 2023 and 2025. Not only that one, SAP BW HANA, SAP BW for HANA 2021-2023. SAP BW for HANA 2021 and SAP BW for HANA 2023. So when we use SWPM 2.0, we want SAP S/4HANA server 2021 or 2022 or 2023 or 2025. We want to install our system rename or system copy or uninstall on the time. Or SAP S/4HANA Foundation 2021, 2022, 2023 and 2025. We want to install our system rename or system copy or uninstall on the time. SAP BW for HANA 2021 and SAP BW HANA 2023. We want to install system rename or system copy or uninstall on the time. We want to use Software Provisioning Manager 2.0. So for these three product versions, for these three softwares, for that purpose only, we use SWPM 2.0. For SAP NetWeaver, for SAP ERP, CRM, SCM, SRM, for SAP NetWeaver, ERP, CRM, SCM, SRM, and NetWeaver ASAP 7.5, 7.52. And here one point I miss. Here I one point I miss. SAP Solution Managers 1.2 also. In SWPM 1.0, SAP Solution in Software Provisioning Manager 1.0, SAP Solution Manager 1.2 is there in SWPM.server. Okay. So when we use SWPM 2.0, we want to use SAP S/4HANA server, or we want to use SAP S/4HANA Foundation or SAP BW HANA on that time. When we use Software Provisioning Manager 1.0, we want to use SAP ERP 6.0, EHP6 or EHP7 or EHP8, or SAP CRM, SCM, SRM 1.0, EHP2 or EHP3 or EHP4, SAP Solution Manager 1.2, and NetWeaver ASAP 7.52, SAP NetWeaver 7.5, SAP S/4HANA Java 2021 to 2025 on the time. We use SWPM.SAP Software Provisioning Manager 1.0. So compulsory we want to remember this one. Why means in interview they ask, tell me the difference between the Software Provisioning Manager 1.0 and 2.0. Here we are learning before starting installation. Here we are learning when we use Software Provisioning Manager 1.0, when we use Software Provisioning Manager 2.0. What is available inside Software Provisioning Manager 2.0? What is available inside Software Provisioning Manager 1.0? When we understand that one means we got it clearly. When we use SWPM 2.0, when we use SWPM 1.0, and how to extract Software Provisioning Manager by using SAP Corp tool, we got it clearly. And another important point here, 5th month, in 5th month, this version they release. And in that month only, after 20 days, 19 days like that, there is another file. So there is no like every 2 weeks or 3 weeks or every month like that. There is no rule to release the latest SWPM. Every month they want to release SWPM like that. There is no rule. When they release means, is there any software changes? In software, is there any changes? Means the changes will be updated in SWPM and release the latest SWPM.SAP file. So on that time only in software, is there any changes? Means the changes will be updated in SWPM and release. In software, there is no changes means they don't update, they don't release. So when in software changes will be done means on that time only the changes will be done in SWPM and release the latest SWPM. So entire this month in software there is no changes means they don't release the any latest SWPM. So that is about that unit. So in this unit, we learning SWPM about Software Provisioning Manager. How many versions is there? How to download the current version of SWPM and current version of SWPM 8 and how to extract SWPM. So that is about SWPM. Here we are learning about SWPM. That in that unit, that lesson 1 is completed successfully.